evening. All of you are able to hear me? Good evening, everybody. Oh, yes. All right. So we start with the theories today. See, we discussed the concepts of circles. The first one we discussed was the parametric form, which is if, good evening, Yash. If theta is the parameter which lies between 0 and 360, including both, then E theta is, we did direct circle, I know that. Rishikesh, we did direct circle, but today I thought that since this is the only good opportunity to discuss the theories also, what we learned yesterday. So you all know. Now suppose if I ask you, what is equation of the circle? Standard circle, it is x square plus y square is equal to a square. We also learned that if x1, y1 is a point of contact, x1 comma y1, correct? So what is the equation of the tangent that we learned? Do you remember? What is equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at the point x1 comma y1? Bolo. Hope all of you remember. Xx1 plus yy1. Do you remember this? Now, how do you prove this? You know why? Because I do this with circles, na? With parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, the methodology is just the same. And you know, yes, Ayush, you're absolutely correct. Xx1 plus yy1 is a square. And how do we get this? We understand the theory once, the next time you need not do for all others because the methodology is absolutely the same. But you know, sometimes a difficult problem solution can be, you know, thought by, if you know the theory too well. Theory is like research. So I believe that all the proofs should be shown to you once. And they are there in the syllabus of 11th standard. And normally what we do is we just learn the formula and we solve the sums based on that. Then how do we derive these theories is an important issue which is never touched. So I thought I will show you how do you get this. Now, you know, radius tangent perpendicularity theorem. So the center is 0, 0. So what is the slope of this? y1 minus 0 upon x1 minus 0. So slope of this normal, I would say, is y1 upon x1. Then tangent being perpendicular to the normal. Yes, absolutely correct. So the slope of the tangent will be its negative reciprocal. So slope of the tangent will be minus x1 upon y1. Then y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. Then cross multiply. y1 minus y1 square is equal to minus xx1 plus x1 square. So you will get xx1 plus yy1 is x1 square plus y1 square. Correct? Now, do you understand that this point x1, y1 lies on this circle? So coordinates x1, y1 are going to satisfy this equation of the circle. So x ke jagah x1, y ke jagah y1. So x1 square plus y1 square can be replaced by a square. Yes. Okay, x1 square plus y1 square. This we can replace by a square. Hence we get equation of the tangent C. You can do circle sums by radius tangent perpendicularity theorem. That perpendicular distance from the center on the tangent is equal to the radius. We always do that, correct? Yes, I also know the shortcuts, but if the subjective paper comes, you will have to follow the methods which are given in the textbook, prescribed by Maharashtra Board. Correct? So that is the reason I'm showing you all these proofs. So this is proof number 1, how to get slope of the tangent and equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Just see this. Does anybody have a problem? Equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Understood and written. Very good. Do you want to write all this? That will be very good. एक बार हो गया ना सर्कल के लिए, तो पैराबोला, इलिप्स, हाइपरबोला, absolutely the same methodology. Only अपने को equation of the curve will change. That's it. Done. Very good. My board work is so good actually. और ये क्या हो रहा है देखो, with this I'm not too much used to it. Now if I give you, yeah, I'll zoom it. Yeah, I will. Now the second one, you take our general equation of a circle. It is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now you are deriving the equation of the tangent drawn at x1 comma y1 to this circle, whose equation is this. Correct? Now in this equation of the circle, what are the coordinates of the center? Are they not minus g comma minus f? You yourself can try. This is again perpendicular. So suppose if this point is C and this point is P, the CP would be obviously the normal. So we can get slope CP is difference of the y coordinates y1 plus f upon difference of the x coordinates x1 plus g. My tangent is perpendicular to CP. So slope of the tangent is the negative reciprocal of this. So it is going to be minus of x1 plus g upon y1 plus f. You can try on your own. So you get this as slope of the tangent. Then use slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. What have you explained about normal? Normal is the line which is always perpendicular to the tangent. And because in this circle, what will happen is radius tangent perpendicularity theorem say the normal will always pass through the center of the circle. Okay, Apurva? Normal is the line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Am I clear? Yes, okay. Now you cross multiply. अभी है ना, मैं अगर तुम लोगों को डायरेक्टली हाइपरबोला का भी निकालने को बोलूं ना, तुम लोग आ जाएगा. करना सेम ही है. y1 plus f is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x1 plus g. अभी ओपन करो. y1 plus fy minus y1 square minus fy1 is equal to, अभी मल्टीप्लाई करके चार साइन चेंज करना है. सो माइनस एक्स x1, ये x इंटू जी है. सो माइनस जी एक्स minus into minus is plus x1 square minus into minus plus gx1. Right? हाँ, अभी इसके बाद see the funny part. ये है what is the thing that you remember in the equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent? X(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into bracket x plus x1 plus f into bracket y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. मतलब there is no negative sign. करेक्ट? मतलब जितने भी नेगेटिव है सारे दूसरे साइड पे ट्रांसफर करो. सो ये माइनस x(x1) मैं ये बाजू ले रही हूँ. सो ये हो गया x(x1) प्लस y(y1). ये gx माइनस है वो मैं यहां ले रही हूं gx प्लस fy इज इक्वल टू, अभी ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है यही रख रहे हो, x1 स्क्वायर ये माइनस y1 स्क्वायर यहाँ आके प्लस y1 स्क्वायर प्लस gx1 प्लस fy1. करेक्ट? ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर? Yes, Mandar. All of you clear? Abhi, just I'm trying to reduce and tell me, you know, you don't have to learn this by heart. You have to just understand that ye point lies on this. So if I substitute, what am I going to get? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. Yeah, correct. ये मुझे चाहिए. तो अभी क्या मिसिंग है बोलो राइट साइड में? x1 स्क्वायर प्लस y1 स्क्वायर. मेरे पास यहाँ क्या नहीं है? 2gx1 ने एक ही है, तो मुझे यहाँ ऐड करना पड़ेगा gx1. 2fy1 में और एक ऐड करना पड़ेगा, एंड और c नहीं है वो c ऐड करना पड़ेगा. I cannot add it only on one side, so adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides. Is that clear? Adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides. Did you understand what I'm doing? Okay, so क्या आएगा अपना? x(x1) प्लस y(y1) प्लस ये दोनों में g कॉमन, x प्लस x1, ये दोनों में f कॉमन, y प्लस y1 प्लस c इज इक्वल टू, ये एंटायर थिंग इज 0 ओनली. यहां से ये देखो, ये 2gx1 प्लस 2, ये 2gx1 है ना, ये 2fy1 है प्लस c, तो ये एंटायर थिंग बिकम्स 0. ओके, टुडे माय वॉइस इज वेरी क्लियर. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स टू द नेट. x(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into bracket x plus x1 plus f into bracket y plus y1 is equal to 0. I will just hurriedly explain once again. Equation of the given circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. उनमें center रहता है minus g comma minus f. The tangent at which it is drawn, the point is x1 comma y1. If I call that point as P, I found slope CP. उसका negative reciprocal will be minus of x1 plus g upon y1 plus f. I know the point, I know the slope, I use slope point form, I cross multiply, I open all the brackets. Now to get this on the right hand side, I need to add gx1 plus fy1 plus c. So added on both sides and I derive the equation which is required. So this is equation number 2. So first we saw parametric form. If the center is h comma k, it is x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to r plus sin theta. Otherwise, it is r cos theta, r sin theta. That was the first part. Now, ये हमने किया वो tangent था, correct? tangent. Now there are two different things, tangent at a point and tangents from a point. अभी ये हमने किया tangents at a point. At means the point was on the circle. So हमने standard circle लिया, that was my point number 1. X(x1) plus y(y1) is equal to a square. The second one which we did, that is for the standard circle, that is not for the standard circle, it is for the general equation we did. And the equation that we arrived at was x(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into bracket x plus x1 plus f into bracket y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Correct? Now third may, we are just using parametric form. What is the point? A cos theta comma a sin theta, at which the tangent is drawn. मतलब जैसे कि मेरा ये x1 y1 है, ये है x1, ये है y1, and ये है standard circle. X square plus y square is a square. ये circle है. So what is the equation of the tangent? It is x(x1) plus y(y1) is a square. So x, y, x1 के जगह you will be putting a cos theta. y1 के जगह you will be putting a sin theta. So dividing throughout by a, you get your required equation, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a. All of you are able to understand all the proofs. एक बार सर्कल में हम लोगों ने काम किया ना, तो पैराबोला, इलिप्स, हाइपरबोला will be a peanut. कुछ भी नहीं लगेगा. Crystal clear. Thank you so much. Understood all the proofs. Very, very good. Now normally जो एग्जाम में आता है, that is anybody writing? Yes, derivations are asked in boards. Yes. Yes, तुहिन. तो क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारे लोग एकदम last minute Jan Feb में they realize that they have not done any of the derivations. तो एक बार अगर learn किया है, तो because our this application is strong, we will understand very fast और बाद में एक बार भी practice किया तो हो जाएगा. Correct? That is the reason I am giving the insistence that you should write now. So have you written all the 3 proofs? Yes. Chalo, good. Then I will go to the next one. When asked of do we have to prove tangents at a point? No, they will give you a proper question. Derive the equation of a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at a point x1 comma y1. It's properly, question is very, it is crystal clear. So you will never get confused whether it is from a point or at a point. The questions are very, very clear. Okay. When asked for para, do we have to prove tangents at a point? नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं. Done. Can I go to the next proof, please? Okay. Yes, done. Anybody wants a little time, you please feel free to tell me, okay? Now, number 4, mostly asked in the exam. See, Tuhin, I will take the sums in which the point will be given, equation of the circle will be given. And if they ask you find the equation of the tangent, you can directly use the formula x(x1) plus y(y1) is equal to a square. Not the formula, the equation of the tangent. the question will be asked for derive the formula or derive the equation, then only you will derive. Otherwise, you will directly use the formula. Am I clear? तुहिन समझा बेटा? जब भी वो लोग डेरिवेशन पूछेंगे तो भी they will ask derive the equation of the tangent to the circle. ऐसा बोलेंगे वो. Otherwise, when they give you numericals like find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 at say 1,2. Then in that case, you directly use the equation. Don't have to derive. Okay? Is that clear? No for derivatives for para. Do we have to prove? No, no, no. No, you don't have to prove. You know, all these proofs can be done using derivatives. I asked you yesterday. Because dy by dx at a point is the slope of the tangent. You know it, na? dy by dx at x1 y1 is nothing but slope of the tangent. वो तो बहुत ही easy है, मतलब उसके लिए कोई formula भी याद नहीं करने की जरूरत. But you know, you follow the method. काश तुम लोगों को मैं बोल पाती, थोड़ा pair of lines तुम लोगों का होने दो. Then I will tell you कि एक मैंने कैसे शॉर्टकट यूज किया था फॉर माय स्कूल फॉर माय कॉलेज प्रीलिम्स एंड he appreciated me, my teacher appreciated me but did not give me marks. So that is how in my prelims I scored 97, but boards I scored 100 on 100. For one reason I stuck to the textbook, the methodology. I will like to share with you. मैंने इतना अच्छा shortcut use किया. I use pair of lines and derivatives. And I got the answer within 2 steps, and that time there was no CET and all. He praised me a lot, but gave me 0 out of 3. So I don't want you all to suffer like this, because we know so many shortcuts now. So we tend to use them in boards. Okay? मतलब हम लोग 2020 में खेलेंगे अलग से, टेस्ट मैच में खेलेंगे अलग से. Okay? That is why I'm showing you. For the same sums, I can show you the shortcuts. I mean, sir is also showing, but I can also show you the shortcuts. That is no big deal. But now we are doing subjective studies. All right? Thank you so much. Okay. Now we are going for condition for tangency. You can write with me, huh? No problem. Because ये तो मतलब हमेशा से आता ही है question. They have given you a standard circle. So circle draw करके we write equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Center पे दिखाना 0, 0. Now under what condition or how they ask the question? I know रे बेटा, but see I'll tell you, सब MCQs है, लेकिन next year शायद से ना रहे. 12th standard. You have to prepare yourself for this MCQs. MCQs so easy है ना. Subjective studies से थोड़ा research होता है. How you get these, you understand. All right. अगर next year भी नहीं है तो फिर नहीं करेंगे. All right. ये साल एग्जाम्स है, वही बड़ी बात है. Okay, now y is equal to mx plus c is any line given. Now this line can be like this also. Y is equal to mx plus c. ये line tangent भी हो सकती है. But under what circumstances this becomes a tangent? That is called the condition for tangency. मतलब for what, under what condition this becomes the tangent. That is called condition for tangency. वो अभी अपने को करनी है. If you are writing with me, just draw the figure. We don't have to draw this figure. This is the figure. Condition for tangency. Now y is equal to mx plus c Yeah, they are there in the textbook, but बहुत short में दिए हैं. I always stick to the textbook when I'm teaching subjective, and shortcuts are too many. I mean, there is no end to it. Y is equal to mx plus c touches this circle. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me when it is touching and when it is intersecting in 2 points, don't you think these points are going to be distinct points? And when it becomes a tangent, these 2 points become the coincident points. Means it is just touching the circle. I know the shortcut, beta, but nahi chalega. Correct? Right? So it is touching the circle. It means that if I solve y is equal to mx plus c with x square plus y square is equal to a square, ये दोनों equations हम लोग b is equal to 0, that's right. हम लोग solve करेंगे, absolutely correct. तो हम लोग ये solve करते हैं equations, चलो x square y के जगह mx plus हम लोग point of intersections निकाल रहे हैं. मतलब we are solving the circle with the line. Okay. तो ओपन करो ब्रैकेट्स, यू हैव एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस इसको स्क्वायर करो एम स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2mcx प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. So I take x square common, 1 plus m square plus 2mc into x plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. So comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is this, tell me? Since it is a quadratic equation in x and it is touching the line, implies the two roots will be equal. So your b square minus 4ac, that is delta, will be equal to 0. So this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So ये है 2mc, ये है 1 plus m square into c square minus a square. So ये हो गया 4m square c square minus 4. अभी ये दोनों का multiplication करो, so you can divide by 4. So it is c square plus m square c square minus a square m square is equal to 0. So dividing throughout by 4, because 0 है तो यहाँ when you divide it will go away. So it will be m square c square minus m square c square minus into minus is plus a square m square is equal to 0. Are you getting it? ये जो minus c square है ना, ये minus c square, can I take it on the other side? This is m square c square minus c square, I took it on the other side, minus m square c square plus a square plus this. So this will cancel with this. So a square common into bracket 1 plus m square is equal to c square. Therefore, the condition for tangent c is c is equal to plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square. All right. mx plus minus a root of 1 plus m square. All right. You can take your time, you can write, no problem. अभी अपने को point of contact निकालना है. Those who have finished can start trying also. Point of contact. Okay, Mandar, you finished point of contact also? Very good. I will have to show that. ये ऊपर का जो मैंने इक्वेशन लिखा है, आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग दैट. ये देखो ये है. This I have copied here. All right. अभी c square क्या है? By the side I'll write. What is 1 plus m square? C square upon a square. Correct? So, and a square plus a square m square is c square. दोनों में इधर से ही ले रहे हैं. Multiply. A square plus a square m square is c square. So, ये a square में अगर उठा के उधर फेंकूं तो ये c square minus a square आएगा मेरा a square m square. तो ये मैं दोनों यूज करने वाली हूँ, ये एंड ये. तो इधर आएगा x square 1 plus m square को हटा के आएगा मेरा c square upon a square. बीच में कुछ हाथ नहीं लगा रही हूँ मैं. c square minus a square में डायरेक्टली डाल रही हूँ a square m square is equal to 0. Does anybody have any problem here? You understood what I am doing? Okay, sure, good. तो डोंट यू थिंक अभी पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट ना तुम लोगों का एक नजरिया होना चाहिए कि ये टेंजेंट है ना, तो पॉइंट दो आ ही नहीं सकते. सो इट हैज टू बी अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर किसका है? cx अपॉन a, बीच का साइन प्लस है तो प्लस am द होल स्क्वायर. राइट? तो टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट, तो मेरा x आ गया माइनस a स्क्वायर m अपॉन c. राइट? तो अभी y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस c में भी डाल सकते हो. y इज इक्वल टू m, x की जगह ये डालो प्लस c. यहाँ भी सिंप्लीफाई करके यू कैन गेट which is minus a square m square LCM लेके प्लस अपॉन c. सो ये हो गया माइनस a square m square. ये c square को हटा के व्हाट इज c square बोलो? a square into bracket 1 plus m square. That is a square plus a square m square upon c. This will go. So y coordinate आएगा a square upon c. Yes, yes, yes. अभी देखो मतलब there is a standard method which I am showing you. There are many, your thinking is absolutely fantastic. You can, but just follow the textbook method for the subjective. अभी 11th में नहीं है करके you can do anything. minus a square m upon c comma a square upon c हो गया मेरा point of contact B हो गया correct See, theory is like research. I'm telling you, theory करने से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है because actually when I was doing engineering, we used to only solve problems. But I realized that if you're perfect in the theory part, you can think in a different angle. So don't you know your need of the hour is such you can't be wasting time, but you have to learn at least once the theory. Correct? Yes, yes, Meet, you can do. Point of contact and this. Yes. Okay. Great. By chance अगर किसी का बाकी है तो the next theory. Prove that oh you want me to zoom it? Prove that two tangents can be drawn from an external point x1 y1 to the circle. अभी हम लोगों ने last time किया that x1 y1 was on the circle. Now x1 y1 is outside the circle. This is the circle and the center is 0, 0. Sixteen on 25 in college unit test. Oh, you had your unit test already done? Oh, where did you lose marks? Yes. If you have to, discuss anything, you can. Huh? Oh, you don't know. Okay. If you know if you know the sums in which you have gone wrong, I can always discuss the sums with you. No problem. You can send it to Himangi ma'am. She will send me. I can explain in detail. Oh, they just told me the marks. Okay. No problem. We didn't have had any test from school. Okay. No problem. Please, may I start? Yes, if you have any doubts even later, na, you can send them to Emangi ma'am or any that applies to anyone. And if you don't want anybody who doesn't want to discuss all the problems, like if you want me to send, I can always Himangi ma'am can forward me. I can clear the doubts. I can make a video and send you. No problem. All right. Thank you. Okay. Now we will, when this becomes a tangent to the standard circle, what is the equation of the tangent to the standard circle? Bolo. y is equal to mx a root of 1 plus m square. Now since x1 y1 lies on the tangent, तो अपना क्या आने वाला है, y1 is equal to m x1 plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square. Y minus mx1 is plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square, correct? Now you square both sides. You know what I'm trying to do? Actually, logically, मुझे पूछोगे तो आप एक प्लस होगा, एक माइनस होगा, there'll be two tangents, correct? Huh? But we have to, whenever they ask you to prove the number of tangents, you have to show, you have to get the equation in M, and you have to show it is a quadratic equation in M, hence it will have two roots, hence the two slopes, hence the two tangents. That's it. Are you clear? So that is the way we are approaching. Now we are trying to get a quadratic equation in M. So square both sides. So you will have y minus m, y1 minus mx1, the whole square. इसको square करोगे तो ये निकल जाएगा a square 1 plus m square. Correct? So a minus b brackets में से करो ये. So it is y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1 a square plus a square m square. Correct? Now see, जब भी अपने को point of intersection निकालना है, हम लोग quadratic equation in x लेते हैं, and then we make the roots equal. अभी यहाँ अपने को दो tangents दिखाना है, तो we are getting a quadratic equation in m. Just keep your logic on. That's it. So m square. Oh, what's happening? M square into x1 square minus a square plus minus 2x1 y1 into m plus y1 square minus a square is equal to 0. Is it not that something into m square plus something into m plus something is equal to 0? Hence implies that it is a quadratic equation in M, implies it will have two roots, that is implies two values of M, that implies two slopes, hence two tangents. Proved. Okay? अब इसका थोड़ा आगे जाओ ना. Let m1 and m2 be the roots. So what will be sum of the roots? Minus b upon a. That is 2x1 y1 upon x1 square minus a square. And product of the roots is c by a, that is y1 square minus a square upon बस ये थियरी इधर खत्म होता है. But I can derive my director circle from this. मतलब अगर मुझे कोई डायरेक्टर सर्कल की थियरी पूछता है, so I will write this, and at the end to continue, see idea, to continue for the director circle, यहाँ तक same है, since the tangents, yes, absolutely correct, are mutually perpendicular. Therefore, product of the slopes is going to be -1. तो अपना product of the slopes क्या है? y1 square minus a square upon x1 square minus a square, which is minus 1. So we will have y1 square minus a square is minus x1 square plus a square. So ये इधर लेना. Therefore you get x1 square plus y1 square is 2a square. Is it not the equation of the डायरेक्ट सर्कल? x1 y1 एक पॉइंट है, तो जनरल इक्वेशन के लिए रिप्लेसिंग x1 by x and y1 by y, equation of the director circle is, are you getting it? X square plus y square is a root 2 the whole square. So is it not a concentric circle with the radius is root 2 times the radius of the circle? Correct? You can write then. ऐसे हो जाता है. Tangent है और ये 90 degrees है. Tell me when you complete, then I can give you the sums. Okay, meet. Good. Done. Have you done parabola, ellipse, hyperbola already? Oh, you have already done. Very good. So आज क्या करो ना, टेक्स्ट बुक लेना और उसके जस्ट टैंजेंट की थियरीज कैसे डिराइव करके जस्ट रीड मारो. हो गया तुम लोगों का, आज देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं बाद में. We will do no doubt, but you will understand so much similar is this. Oh, all coordinate geometry done. Very good. So ये conic section ऐसे ही मतलब it should be learned, it should be studied together only ऐसा, because अपने को time save करना है. Just go through it. If you don't have any other exam tomorrow, I don't know your schedule, but just telling you, that's it. Now we continue with the problems. Take parameter as theta. Equation of the circle is given as x square. Oh, you have physics test tomorrow. Fine. I'm just telling you that whenever you have time, but don't keep too big a gap and just read. That's it. Write the parametric equations of x square plus y square is equal to 9. Gives you the value of r is 3. Yes, absolutely correct. And if you take parameter as theta, your x will be 3 cos theta and y will be 3 sin theta. हो गया. Parametric equation तो बोला है. write the parametric equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. तो पहले क्या करो, x square and x साथ में, y square and y साथ में, number on the other side. All right. So to make a perfect square, I will have to add 1 here. So you add 1 here. To make a perfect square, you will have to add 4 here. So you will be adding 4 here. So ये आ गया x plus 1 the whole square, y minus 2 the whole square, 9 is 3 square. Correct? तो ये हो गया equation in center radius form. Implies that your coordinates of the center, see it is x minus minus 1, really speaking, x minus h, correct? So it is minus 1 comma 2 and radius 3 units. So parametric form, याद है, x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Therefore, you get x as minus 1, r के जगह 3 cos theta, y is 2 plus 3 sin theta. Perfect. Somebody say yes, she's already got it. Very good. You all are very well prepared. Huh? Okay, okay, Ashwath. You want the previous sum? Are you still writing the previous sum? I can wait, huh? I'll give you some time to try, no problem. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 0 at the origin. You do it, huh? Yeah, yes, perfect. But let others finish. Everybody is getting it right. Yeah, perfect. See. Ashwat, tell me when I can explain. Because you requested for some time, I'm waiting. Done? Okay. So 2g is minus 3. Yeah? So what is the value of g? Minus 3 upon 2. 2f is 2, so value of f is 1. The value of c is 0. सबके values correct है? There is no constant term. And you are drawing at the origin. At जो point रहता है, that is your x1, y1, which is 0, 0. Tuhin, you asked me whether you want to derive. No, we are not deriving. We are directly substituting the values in the equation that we have already derived. Okay? So xx1 plus yy1 plus g into bracket x plus x1 plus f into bracket y plus y1. Y क्या हुआ? Plus c is equal to 0. आया सबको? So minus 3x by 2 plus y is equal to 0 gives you 3x minus 2y is 0. Correct? You got it correct. Very good. Anybody else? I can wait or I can go ahead. Anything. I think I will write the sum. So if anybody wants to. Show that the line 7x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 touches the circle at 1, 2. Five marks. 5 marks. There could be one question in MCQ and one derivation sort of. Because in boards also they have started giving MCQs now. No? 10 marks from the first paper, 10 marks from the second paper. You can try this, huh? Same as the previous one. Five x. Solved, no? Very good. Wait, but steps भी लिखना एक बार life में बस. बाद में next time से you can just read, but you should know what steps to write. Value of g is 5 by 2. Value of f is minus 7 by 2. Value of c is 4. Point x1, point y1 is 2. What we are doing is we are finding equation of the tangent to the given circle at 1, 2 and show it is nothing but the given equation. Correct? Directly to substitute कर रही हूँ मैं. I'm doing directly only, but only I wrote the steps properly. Direct मतलब not writing steps ना. xx1 plus yy1 plus g into bracket. यहाँ मैंने compare करके दिखाया अच्छे से. That's it. अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. x1 is 1, y1 is 2 ना, g है 5/2, x plus 1 minus 7/2, I can directly multiply by 2 चलेगा ना, so I'll have 2x plus 4y, यहाँ 2 cancel होगा, so it will be 5x plus 5, ये भी 2 cancel होगा, so it will be minus 7y minus 14 plus 8 is equal to 0. So ये 2x और ये 5x मिलके ये आएगा 7x plus 4y minus 7y. 13 minus 14 minus 1 is equal to 0. Which is the given line? मतलब हमने जो इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट निकाला वही दी हुई लाइन है, राइट? हेंस प्रूव्ड. Let everybody finish. Till then, I will just write the next sum. Similar. Find equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 at 4 comma minus 2. अभी तुम लोग डायरेक्ट करो because you already know how to write the steps, comparing it. तुम लोग simply g लिखो, f लिखो, c, x1, y1. Check it once, Yash. Value of g is minus 2 आया सबको? This color is not visible. Yeah, that's the right answer. Somebody got it right, Mandar. Yeah. अभी देखो दिख रहा है क्या? Is the value of g minus 2? F is 3 by 2. C is 2. X है 4. X1 है 4. Y1 है -2. इक्वेशन डायरेक्टली लिखो अभी. X1 plus y1 plus g into bracket x plus x1 x1 plus y1. Yeah, correct है. Acha, after you zoom out, zoom in. That's what I'm doing. Wait, let me do it. Apurva, I will tell you the values, thickness of the brush. That's what I'm trying to do. What's the value of x1 bolo? 4. Value of y1, -2. G is -2, x plus 4. F is 3 by 2, y plus y1. Plus C is equal to 0. Perfect. You can multiply also throughout by 2. Finally, you will get 4x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. Four x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. Got it? Can I give you one more, please? एक सेकंड में खत्म हो जाएगा, don't worry. What was the previous number? 5, na? So we'll do sum number 6 now. Express in Cartesian form. Express in Cartesian form. X is equal to 2 plus 3 cos theta. Y is equal to 3 minus 3 sin theta. I understand. X is equal to, I repeat, you can take it down. X is equal to 2 plus 3 cos theta. Y is equal to 3 minus 3 sin theta. Cartesian form means we have to get rid of theta. X comma y, it will give you Cartesian form where theta should be eliminated. So you will have x minus 2 upon 3 will be cos theta. Y minus 3 upon minus 3 will be sin theta. Now, how do we get rid of that theta? We use the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So square of this will be x minus 2 upon 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 upon negative 3 the whole square is equal to 1. 3 ho ya negative 3 ho, when you square it, it's going to be 9. So it is x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 9. ये हो गया Cartesian form. You can leave it here, but अगर चाहिए तो you can write x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. If somebody asks you what is the center, it is going to be 2, 3. And what is the radius? It's going to be 3 units. Is that clear? Yes. Okay then. Thank you so much. Now we'll meet next week. Please practice all these theories and just try to read the theories of parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola for the tangents. Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.